Hello, in this video I want to show you how to customize your UI theme in Warframe. To do this, first we'll need to click on Escape and then move to our options. Here select Interface and go for Customize UI theme, and then you'll be able to change your theme right here. Some of them are locked behind platinum, that means you need to buy them for real money. Then there's a legacy background. Actually I have legacy background selected, so this will have a different name, it's just a background. Then there's sounds that you can also adjust, item labels that you can activate or deactivate, change your mouse cursor as well, mouse color that you can switch with your own colors palette, and cursor scale at the last option. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.